today's video, I will be showing you how to install a full lace unit. So this is my install, how it's looking after the fact. I think I did pretty good for to not really know how to do hair like that. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. And also I want to say hello to all my new subscribers. I see y'all. Thank you, I appreciate it. And for all my other subscribers returning, hey boos. So yes, I don't want it to go like I'm not acknowledging like you guys, because I see y'all. So yeah, like I said, this is a easy, beginner friendly on how to install your lace frontal wig. So all these products you can find in like a local beauty supply store. Oh, that's where I found my products. But like I said, if you guys want to see how to do this look, just keep on watching. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave. If you just lurking, go and join the team. It's okay. We could be a big family. But also, make sure you hit that like button if you like this video or if you found this video helpful. Also, leave some comments down below if you have any other type of videos that you would like for me to record. Just let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm just gonna be showing like the products that you need to, well, the products that I use to achieve this look. So you'll need the Got-Speed Freeze Blasting Spray, the Got-Speed glue. You'll need like knee highs or either a stocking cap, your preference of latex glue, or you could just still use these, whatever, and a comb and a scarf. And so starting off, I'm going to be taking my hair and I'm going to brush it first to get all the tangles out. So after I brush my hair, I'm going to be taking it into 4 different parts and I'm going to be just twisting them. So after I twist my hair up, I'm going to take some bobby pins and I'm just going to use the bobby pins to pin down the plaits to make them as flat as possible to my head. So here I'm going to go in with a cap, and you can find this at your local beauty supply store. Here I'm just adjusting the cap to where I want it to fit to my liking. So after applying the cap, then I'm going to go in with the Got-Speed gel, and I'm just going to take this on the perimeter of my edges and my hairline to glue down the cap to do the ball cap method. So after applying the gel, I'm going to go in with the freeze blasting spray, and I'm just going to spray this on the perimeter where I applied the gel for more coverage. And then I'm going to be taking the blow dryer and I'm going to take this on the cool setting and blow dry it until it's completely dry. So after I blow dry the hair, then I'm going to go with my scissors and I cut down the middle of my forehead and cut by my ears first. And then I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to start cutting around my hairline. So I just cut it and I pull it back a little bit and just like cut all the excess off up until it looks more so like my skin. Like you don't want any little flakes of the cap showing. You want it to look real flat as possible. So here I just take it around my ear to tuck it and then start cutting. Yes, I know some of my edges are out. It's okay. I'm fine with it. I feel like it's just your preference of if you don't want your hair out or if you want your hair more so covered. That is a preference. So after I've cut as much as of the cap I can cut off to make it look as flat as possible, then I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I'm just going to use that to blend in the cap and to add a darker color to the cap as well because it's not my skin tone. So next I'm going to go in with some alcohol. I didn't show it in the clip, but I'm just using that to clean off my forehead to apply the glue. So next I'm going to apply the wig. So after I get the wig on, I'm going to just adjust it to see like where it lines up with the cap and my hairline. I'm going to take my comb and just like comb most of the hair out of my way, and then I'm just going to use a scrunchie and to tie it up so the hair won't be going everywhere as I start to glue it down. So here I'm going to flip the hair back and then apply the glue. I'm using the bow hold glue, and I'm going to just start with a little bit. I work in sections. I don't do all my hairline at once, so I start in the middle and then do my sides. So here I just apply the glue. I use the comb to spread out the glue, and you don't need that much glue. And then I just use something to fan it dry. You'll know when it's ready because it'll turn clear. And then after I did that, I'm going to go in with a second layer and do the exact same thing. So after the glue is dry, you just want to apply your lace to the glue, and I just use my hands to do this part and just stick it down. And then I'm going to go in with the same glue and just start doing my edges. The edges of the lace. So I apply one side with the glue and I let that dry, and I do the other side after that side and then let that dry. So pretty much it's the same process. You just apply the glue, then you use the comb to spread the glue out. And like I did 2 layers for the top, I'm going to do 2 layers on the sides as well. And I'm going to take some clips and I'm just going to pin the hair back so it's not in my way. So after the glue is dry, I just remove the clips, and I'm going to be taking this like um edge brush, and I'm just going to be using that to press it down. So here I'm just making sure that everything is pressing there good, so I'm just using this comb to like press down on the lace part, and then I'm going to do the other side the same exact way. So here I'm just going in with my comb, and I'm just combing the hair back and making sure that all the lace is pressed down into the glue. So I'm gonna leave this on for like for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna style the hair. Okay? So see y'all in a little bit. So after I take the scarf off, I just pull the hair back to see how it's looking so far, and so far it's looking alright. So now I'm going to take my brush and brush the hair out, and then I'm going to go in with my curler and just start curling the hair. After doing the curls, I went in with some like edge control and just did somewhat natural looking baby hairs. I'm not into the baby hair look. And then I'm going to zoom in so you can see how the hairline's looking. So this is the hairline. It's looking natural. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.